Ain't no need to be in cuss. Rado, till me 4 times. Ain't no need to be in cuss. Nigga know just how we rock. I had to change up the target, take out just like a rocket. Ain't no need to be in cuss. Nigga know just how we rock. I had to change up the target, take out just like a rocket. Nigga blow up like a socket. I had to grind just like I'm rocket, just like Creed. Ain't no stopping trap, won't be no rider.
Bitch, I throw a fold, I'm from that no way, it be going down. My young niggas on go, they cutting guards and we got hella rounds. Block 44 with the sweet, he be one, he make a sound. He ain't notice he was hit, I just seen him hit the ground. Somebody try to pick him up, then we gon' shoot the other round. Call me Mr. Do It on camera, you know I don't play around. Seen him hop up at the stove, he fake pumping with a pellet gun. Block 21 up on my hill, they be right here, whole fit around. I try no bitch, try to set me up, then I'ma lick before I ever do that shit. Somebody swimming in the ditch, ain't no running from me, nigga. I bet somebody get hit. I hit it button up on the Glock, the bullets attached to your feet. I got a bad little bitch and do it too. She be with the shit. Won't tell me fucking, I don't know. I bet I just want to suck the D. And when I'm sliding off in traffic, I came 5% 10. I'm out here trying to catch on leg, and I ain't worried about a bitch. It ain't no need to be in cautious. Nigga know just how I'm rockin'. I had to change up the top and take off just like a rocket. Nigga played and I'm poppin'. Walk down with the rocket. I get mad and you can't stop. One in there, I catch a body. I been gone, I de-rosses. Lord tell they had my body. And I been thinking about legality. Too much pain up in my body. Made them bitches move from terror block. We shootin' at everybody. I heard you got hit in the foot, them bullet hotter than the tire. But that ain't even my work. I heard he got some free perks. And he ain't even slide out the man. That shit must have hurt. And now nigga come outside. Them nigga don't be on the porch. And I can't wait to see a nigga hit his ass with that torch.